Time. This is a special weather statement for the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles, St. Louis City, St. Louis, and Warren, and the following counties in Illinois: Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. Wind advisory in effect from 3 a.m. to noon Wednesday. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. For portions of south central, southwest, and west central Illinois and east central and northeast Missouri. From 3 a.m. to noon Wednesday. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. The current time is 2:05 p.m. Central Standard Time.